Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day today. I'm having a pretty good day. I can't complain. I didn't know what I wanted to make today. I knew I wanted to use some orange colors though, so we'll see how that works out. I didn't make a ton of resin, did I? I gotta scrape my cup. That's how little I made. I think I mixed up, I mixed up 60 of A and 60 of B, Let's Resin. And I took 22 out for my white, and the rest is in this mold. Usually I don't keep track of what I mix up, so there you go. I did see something, there's some bubbles, get my bubbles out. I did see a little piece of glitter in there. I don't want to waste my resin. All right, guys, let's torch this real quick. Maybe I'll use a little bit of this. Okay, let me see what I got. I still got 19 grams in here, so. I'm gonna use Eder Art. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 drops in this 19 grams, even though I usually do 22. Hopefully there's a bubble. Mix it up really good. Maybe I can prevent that. 2. I was gonna do my 2 little molds I love so much, that lotus, but I guess we're doing this today. Okay, let's start out with some orange, but let's resin. Some yellow. I didn't get a piping bag and my resin's already pretty warm. Let's Resin, epoxy resin, gets warm pretty quick. I'm looking around for scissors and of course I can't seem to, they're somewhere. I mean, I'm probably looking right at them. I don't know where they are. Let's get another orange in the middle where that kind of broke apart. Ooh. Okay, get your stuff in a piping bag. Make sure you mix it up really well. Twist it tight. Got resin all over me, I can see it. I can see that shine. I'm gonna try to get this new glove on real quick because I had a hole in my finger in that other glove, but now my hands are all sweaty. Blow this off and torch it. No, that's not very bright. I feel like it's missing something. I might throw in a red just because I think it needs it. I still want to try to keep some of the yellow separate. I think I'm gonna do squiggles all the way to the outside. Oh, wait, I think I'm gonna do something different. Okay, let's do a little, do a little squiggle in the middle and then stop. No, I'm gonna keep going, I'm on a roll. Should I go all the way out? I don't know, I do like that little bit of black. Okay, let me get a little toothpick. Try to keep your little toothpicks handy. I know I never do and I have to always run and grab one. Watch where you blobbed. And try to do something with that. This middle I'm gonna curve on around. Just a little bit. Maybe I'll do a little more. Ooh. Why not? Okay, do we want to, yeah, might as well. Let's go in right here a little ways. And then draw out, I guess. Just because I like to have a little point sometimes. Kind of neat. But my petals are already pointy, so, I mean, I really didn't need to do this. You know what I mean? How I did the... Okay, guys, that's all I'm doing to it. All right, I'll keep an eye on this and see what happens. And I will check back with you guys in a little bit. See ya. I couldn't sleep last night, so I went ahead and came in and put a black back on this. So let's check it out. I love that. Orange and yellow and red. Sweet. Should I put gold around the outside? Since there's so much yellow. Can I do it with this big one? Whoops. I think I like the gold. Oh. I might be too shaky holding it. Nice. Did I get all of the... Yes, whoops, inside. I can do this one a little darker. accidentally touched that down there. Sweet, guys. What do you think? I don't know which way to... Ooh, I like it just like that. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys like this bloom. I think it turned out very pretty. And if you ever have questions, and I'm able to help you in any single way, I sure will. I like to see everyone try to make blooms or do something they're not used to doing, you know. Don't get discouraged if you go to do it and you can't do it the first time. I mean, I wasn't able to. You know, it took practice. But that's why I try to tell everyone exactly what I use and the steps I take to do it. You know, I don't make the traditional blooms everyone sees, but I absolutely love them all. So I hope you guys have an extraordinary day, and make sure you check out the Let's Resin alcohol links. If you haven't got them yet, I have a link in my description. I have 2 links. One goes straight to their Amazon homepage, and one goes straight to the Amazon link for these. So awesome, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.